In this video, we are going to see a lesson, A Visitor from Distant Land. Before that, let us see some words and their meanings. Visitor, guest. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave or bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Foreign, belongs to other country. Let us move to the lesson now. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. They lived in a Viluppuram district. Mani liked only few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. Yes, you too like only few vegetables very much, isn't it? One day when Amma served potato curry. So one day his mother served potato curry. After Amma served potato curry, Mani said, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetable. He told that he doesn't want to eat potatoes, but he likes potatoes very much. He said the reason because they are from foreign. Foreign means belongs to other countries. Her sister Selvi told, no, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. She said that, no, Amma bought from the vegetable shop which is near the bus stop. Mani went to his father. Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. Father said, so what? Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. So he said that our teacher told us to get the food which is grown in our area. Selvi asked, what else did your teacher tell you? Mani said, she also told us to use things made in our country. Teacher told us to use only the things which is made in our country. By hearing this, father told, and you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice. Mother said, then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. Selvi said, Mani, then you cannot order anything because few vegetables from foreign countries. Then Mani asked his mother, why cannot I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Mother said that, don't you know that corn, tomatoes and even lady's finger all came from other countries. So they are all came from other countries, so you cannot eat those things. Selvi was surprised and asked, really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? Father said, no, some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. Merchants means people who trade, who buy the things and sell the things. So they only brought to our country by the sea. Mani asked, why did they bring vegetables to India? By hearing that, Amma and Appa laughed. Selvi said, they could have brought some sweet. Why didn't they? She asked that, why don't they bring sweet? Amma said that people came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. Spices means things which give flavor to our food, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal is a country, named Vasco da Gama, sailed to Kerala. Sail means travelled in a boat or ship. He came to Kerala for searching pepper. Mother said, just imagine the joy of sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. Just imagine that how they reached Kozhikode. Kozhikode is a place in Kerala for searching pepper. They took a lot of pepper back to their country. They came to Kerala and took more pepper to their country. Selvi asked, they took spice from India? Yes, they took spices from India. Then Mani asked his father, yes, but who brought the vegetables to India? Father said the Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was the one of those vegetables. He said that Portuguese only brought the vegetables. Portuguese means people who lived in Portugal. Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Mani said, wow, this potato has traveled so far because potatoes from Portugal. Mother said, careful Selvi, don't upset a foreign visitor. Mother said that don't upset the foreign visitor. Who's the foreign visitor? Potato. Selvi pulled a long green chili out of the curry. Who is the foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. She said, that's just you are making fun of me. Father said, no, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili. Even chili also a foreign vegetable. Then father said about the chili. Chilies were very popular. Popular means famous, well known in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. One day a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. He went to South America. Mother said that this sailor was actually looking for India. Actually, he was looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper. He wanted to get black pepper from India. Instead, he found South America and Chile. After that, instead of finding India and black pepper, he found Chile and South America. Selvi said, how sad for Columbus. Mother said, it was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chili. It was as spicy as the black pepper. It's also spicy like black pepper. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. So he went to South America and packed all the chili to his country. Then Mani asked, he took it to his country only, no? But how did it come here? Father said, chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. Portuguese only brought to our country. Chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, in Ramanathapuram district only, chilies are cultivated more. Then mother said, in India, chili was first brought into Goa. First they brought chili to Goa and the people there learned to use this new spice in their cooking. There only first they use chili in their food. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. Before use the chili, they used pepper. Do you know? Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. It's known as Kovai Mirchi. Soon there were many kinds of chilies. Some were long and thin. You would have seen that. Some were long and thin and some were fat and stubby. Stubby means short and thick. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use these in their cooking. Indian and Sri Lankan people started to use in their cooking. Soon it spread to many parts of the world. Soon it's spread all over the world. Selvi and Mani looked at the chili on their plate. Selvi said, what a long distance you have travelled. You have travelled a long distance. Mani said, and how you make our food delicious. Delicious means tasty. You make our food delicious. Then they shouted and quickly took a bit of chili. Selvi said, to waste you would be very bad and so we are going to eat you. Anyhow, we are going to waste this chili, no? So she said that wasting you is very bad, so we are going to eat you. Both of them started eating chili. Both said, it's hot and spicy. So children, we have to know about the things which we used in a life.